Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome. I did a rebrand on my channel, formerly known as Lady Like May. Now I decided to just, call it Sherry so that you can easily remember it. Anyway, on this video, I want to do a product review on a nail brand called Madame Glam. They actually have reached out to me last year to hear what I have to say about their product. It honestly took a while for me to produce this video because of the move and the fact that I misplaced my memory card containing all of the footage that I shot for this product review. Anyway, I was slowly organizing my stuff now around the house, and thank goodness I found the misplaced memory card. Now I can finally share with you my thoughts on this brand. If you are curious to know what I have to say on this brand and my experience with the product, then please keep on watching. This is what the brand sent me. Their soak off top coat, base coat, hand sanitizer, their gel polishes in this nude with a tiny pink undertone color, and of course white. The specific name of the one that I'm holding is My Oh My, and I'm glad that they sent me this because it is the perfect shade of pink for me. The nail polish bottles will show you what the shade of color you're getting. They have also incorporated that at the upper part of the cap. This makes it easier to grab and use the specific nail polish that you want. From these two nail polishes that they've sent me, the shades of polish and its bottle absolutely matched. On their website, it says that their product is certified vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, and palm oil free. Alright, let's go ahead and start playing with this product. Here I have laid out all of the products that I'll use. Of course, I'm gonna need the base coat, the top coat, and the gel polish, which is called the My Oh My. Excuse my chubby short nails. I decided to have my natural nails on for this video because right around the time that I filmed this, it was our packing and moving date. Whenever I have to be physically active, I prefer not having long nails. It's just preference. But I love my press-ons. It's just, not wise to have them on with the craziness that's going on in my life at that time. It's been a while since I painted my nails. Most of the time, I don't use regular nail polish anymore because I can easily get chipped or smudge nails, and if it happens, I peel them off right away. So gel polishes are different. It is known to last longer than regular nail polishes, so I am so excited and I can't wait to test this out. First, let's apply a thin layer of base coat. They have also sent me this nail lamp, which is super cute and it is so light. The downside of having this lamp is because it doesn't have the substantial weight, it sometimes tumbles down. But other than that, it does the job, and as I've said, it is really, really, really light. am applying the gel color of my choice, and of course after this I'm gonna cure this under my nail lamp. I am now applying the top coat. I am almost done. What I'm doing now is just sealing everything in so that this manicure that I have will last longer. After the application and the drying process, you'll notice a sticky layer, or like a sticky part of your nail. So what you do on this step is you get an alcohol, a piece of cloth, wipe it off, and it should be ready. And you're done! I am happy to report to you that after I filmed this video, this manicure lasted about 10 to 12 days. With all the moving that I did, with all the DIYs that I did in our house, I'm so pleased with the product. After that, I have been using it every time I have my short natural nails on. I paint it with this gel polish. And that's my review for this product. I hope I was informative. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay safe and have a blessed day.